Hey guys, it is Jack and Dad here from Card Fun 101. Say hi, everybody.
What's going on, guys?
What's up, guys? So we are going to do another
Box number 2, right?
box number 2.
Yeah.
Jack,
First one was okay.
you have the honors. First one was
all
okay.
right.
Yep. This one, our guy Cameron swears it's a case hit, so we're going with him.
I
Yep.
hope so.
Let's see what happens. Yep.
First time with hockey.
If not,
Yep.
we'll put them on a guilt trip.
Yep.
I'm hoping it's the Blackhawks.
The Blackhawks. Yep. Oh, it looks good.
I remember I would pull the 2 bottom ones because they're usually,
Yeah.
just put them on the top.
Oh yeah, they look like some fatties in there.
Oh, there are some fatties, 2 of them in there.
Yep.
All right.
Cool.
All right, what do we got?
Will Butcher. Jersey out of $3.99.
Okay.
Let's try to move this over to here. Would that help at all?
With the
Yeah.
glare.
Yep.
A little bit.
Up here.
Yeah, probably just
Yeah.
right there, I
That
guess.
glare is tough. Little
Yeah.
Pasternak action.
Pasternak.
$3.99.
Not bad.
That's the thing. I can't pronounce half these dudes.
We have Jack
Here, I'm gonna get
Roslovich
in on this side.
out
Yeah.
of 220.
Out of 220.
Zetterberg out of
Sweet.
143.
All right.
Oh,
That's nice. It looks nice.
Oh, Hosang, yeah. Okay, he'll sell. That's
Wow.
a sick patch, too.
that is nasty.
Out of 49. Wow. All right, ready for this last
Rookie
card?
sweaters, yep, out of 49. And a banner. That's right, because that's always going to be a banner. And who is it?
Connor Sherry.
Are the
Close.
Connor
autos good
Sherry.
in this product?
Banner.
What's that?
Are the autos good in this product?
Oh, of
not
course.
bad.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, that's it. So again,
Nice
box.
looking, yeah.
like it, love it,
Like this video, subscribe,
And-
I'll see you guys later.
and we stopped recording. Okay.
No, we didn't.
Oh, we're still.